Hello, I'm Victoria from Renaissance Capital, and I want to walk you through one of the biggest features of our brand new IPO Pro update, filing alerts. Our number one biggest request from IPO Pro users was for notification on company filings. The IPO market moves really quickly, and to keep up, you need to know about hot IPOs as soon as they publicly file. That's what the IPO Pro filing alerts emails are for, to help you get ahead of hot deals. So let's take a look at what these alerts look like. This is an example of the Eventbrite filing alert. So when you enable these alerts on your IPO Pro subscription, you will get information, basic information on the deal, file date, deal size underwriter, and a link directly to the profile. And on the profile, you'll have basic deal information, you'll have a link to the most recent filing on the SEC website, and if available, you'll have a link to the roadshow. So to enable these alerts, go onto your account on IPO Pro, open up your email preferences, and see all initial filings. Make sure that's checked, and you'll get an email alert for every filing. All right, that wraps up filing alerts. You can sign up for a free 7-day trial of IPO Pro right now to start taking advantage of these alerts. Thank you for watching.